try to look at the camera, but it's gonna be really hard to because I'm filming on my phone, so it's like the face front camera, and yeah, I'm a little bit distracted by that. But anyways, so I got these contacts from Iris Beauty, and they're in the color, I'm not even sure how to say the name honestly, but I'll put it up on the screen. Elixir Green, I don't know, but I'll put it up on the screen for you guys to see. I did expect them to be vibrant, but I did not expect them to be this vibrant. Like, they seriously look like Barbie eyes. I'll get up close in a second so you can see how they look. But I wanted to film this video in sunlight because I wanted you guys to see like the true look of them. But my eyes are really dark brown, like a very dark brown, almost black. So the fact that these contacts cover up my brown eyes is really good. So about the wear of these contacts, they are really comfortable. I didn't have any trouble putting them on at all, and this isn't recommended, but I put mine on while I had my full face of makeup because it was just a last minute thing, and my eyes didn't water at all, which is crazy because my eyes usually always water when I put on contacts. So that just shows you like how comfortable and easy they are to wear. Also, I put them on with nails. Like, who am I? Anyways, don't mind my eyelashes. I know they're annoying me right now, so I know they gotta be annoying you guys, but this is how they basically look. These contacts are wearable for up to 6 months, and like I said, they do come in prescription. So if you're 4 eyes like me and you need glasses 24/7, these contacts will be just like a fun way to switch up your look. They do have lighter colors, more natural looking colors. They have darker colors. They also have where the lenses look a little bit different than these ones. These ones are more of a Barbie look, but they do have some more natural ones and some other dramatic ones. You can check out the website. I'll link it down below. So I've been seeing lately in my email that they're having a sale for buy one get one half off, or sometimes they have sales for buy one get one free. But if they're not having a sale this week, you can use my coupon code, which is Krissyy.bee, and it'll give you 15% off of your order. But like I said, they also have sales all the time, so make sure you sign up for their promotional emails, and they'll let you know whenever they have a sale. This is the box that they came in, and it's a really nice package. It's really nice packaging actually. It also comes with, which is really good, because a lot of times if this is your first time buying contacts, then you're not prepared at all. They come with a contact case, and it says left and right on it, that way you don't get it mixed up. So Iris Beauty also sent me a eyebrow pencil, which is my new favorite eyebrow pencil. I'll show you guys how it looks like this. I've been using the heck out of it, so don't really mind it. You know, it's a little bit dirty looking, but that's all I used on my eyebrows today, and you can see they give you like a really natural look. Like, it doesn't look, wow, really, that one hair. That's basically it. It's just a quick little video showing you guys the contacts. Make sure that you check out their website. Like I said, they're always having sales, and if they're not having a sale this week, you can use my coupon code, which I will link down below. But let me just show you guys one more time a close-up of my eyes, because I'm in love with these contacts.